Hi, fifth graders, and welcome to Unit 2, Week 2, a focus on American history. This week is one of my favorites. You'll be learning how to interpret the past through sources other than writing. So you may want to put, when you are doing this one, put this in view mode where kind of let's look here. I just wanted to tell you what. Oh, present mode. So that picture and that image really can get large on your screen. You're going to look at this picture and study it. What do you see? What may they be thinking or feeling? How is George Washington feeling? Like looking at his body language and the faces of others and what they might, be thinking here in the back. Like really study the image. In a Google Doc titled Interpret History, answer these questions above and even add a couple of your own. Are you left with any questions? Do you have any other thoughts or feelings when looking at this picture? So that one should be fun and a little bit different. I think a lot of times we are interpreting written language and not so much pictures. And then your week 2 writing will be a takeoff still from your timeline project. You'll take a closer look at this timeline, and there is one more on the next slide, and kind of decide what format you're going to use for your timeline project. You do want to kind of pick that this week and set that up, whether it's going to be a Google Slides or a Prezi or something like you see here, and then give your timeline a title. And then I'm just going to jump to the next screen so you can see that other timeline that I had posted here. Just examples. Maybe you're doing yours by hand, which is acceptable as well. And then your week 2 math is what? Math has its own timeline? Yes, it does. Check this one out. And then I put the link here to the math timeline. I'm not going to click it because I think it'll be more exciting if you do that on your own, but it's super fun. Have fun with this one. Click around. Click on different timeline events that interest you. There's really nothing to hand in this week for Social Studies Math Connection. I think you'll just really enjoy kind of browsing the math timeline. And this was a favorite one that I found on the timeline, so I put it in here for you. All right, you guys have a great week. And if you have any questions, just let your teacher know.